G'day, Michael here. What you can see going on in this machine right now is I'm printing a kind of a box mounting bracket panel thing for the control panel here to be mounted outside the cabinet here, because I want to run this enclosure at quite a high temperature so as to be able to print larger parts without having too much tension in the material. The big problem I have with these larger parts, this particular one's about 200 by about 90 millimeters, and over that span there's a lot of shrinkage that takes place as the filament that's been extruded cools down. Now I've already got the print head that you can see dancing around right now. The blue nozzle on in the back there of the print head, that's an inlet for a flow of air from the compressor, and this silicon tube that I'm following up here that's going to that tube just as an exhaust is basically letting the air out of that space. So inside that big black moving part right now is basically a cavity which has that airflow going across the aluminium component, which is the back end of the print head. The only thing I want hot is the actual little square block you can see on the bottom there where the red wires are going to. That has to run at the melt temperature. But all the rest of that device has to be cool so as to not have the filament melt where it shouldn't and have it flow through freely. So this is a difficult print for me because I'm unable to heat the enclosure. But the very thing that I'm printing is in aid of getting the control system outside this box to minimise the amount that I have to open and shut the door so as to keep the temperature more regulated. You can see the machine's getting through it quite quickly. I'm mainly impressed by this thing's speed all the time. I'm not actually running this thing at flat out because I want a little bit of print quality. Still very fast. I guess some components are doing about 130 millimeters a second. It's not 100% linear on what I ask it to do. There are a lot of things going together to produce the actual speed that it physically produces. But there's one, 2, yeah. So I would say that's about 100 millimeters a second it's really doing, or closer to probably 90 millimeters a second on the perimeters. And I'm running it that slow so as to be able to get a reasonably good finish. And the finish isn't bad. I'm pretty happy with the finish there. Don't know if you can see it there. It's pretty good looking. My biggest issue is the parts pulling away from the table. Well, that's it. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. I'll show you the result of this in videos to come when I have more of this machine together. Unfortunately it's a bit piecemeal, but that's the nature of this particular project that I'm working on. It's going to take time for me to get it all together. Yeah, in any case, that's it from me. Bye for now.